What's up, everybody? Happy holidays. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I know I did. I'll spend time with my mom and my kids and some of my family members, so it was great. Hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving as well. But I wanted to talk about, something that I did to the man cave. I kind of spiced it up a little bit because, this is going to be my little space. The little space I kind of go here, wind down, relax, all that stuff. So let me show y'all. Yes, I had put carpet in my basement now. See, I got the Christmas tree up already, so I already know it's the new year coming up soon and Christmas and all that other stuff. But look, Christmas tree's ready. I never took it down anyway, but this is what I've done to the basement. And I put carpet down here and it looks 10 times better and it's more relaxing now. Somebody I can put my feet out. I wouldn't recommend everybody doing that, but for me, being comfortable is the best thing. So this is what I'm working on. Well, I'm not working on it, it's done. But, I'm working on things to kind of have little setups down here for, video production. I want to try a little, what's the name too? Some DJ stuff. I'm not a DJ and I'm trying to be one. I just interested in learning how that stuff works and learning how a controller and all that beats making. I'm interested in this. So I'm definitely going to invest some money into those things because I'm just, anything I'm interested in, I want to learn. That's just how I am. I always feel like if you want to learn something, go ahead and learn it, because if you don't like it, you don't like it. If you do, keep trying. For me, I always feel like go for your dreams. Try them. If they don't work out, just get you a job. That's how I feel. And, for me, I seen something. My old head got me hooked onto it. He said he bought him a controller and he loves music. He's a big music guy. And he's been DJing. He's doing this little thing. And I'm kind of interested. I ain't trying to step on his toes. I'm interested in learning how that things work. So I'm definitely want to invest in that down the line, one step at a time though, because everything takes time, because you gotta figure out what's good to work, what doesn't work, what's the best controller, all that stuff, and all the software you want to use. All that takes into account to what you're gonna do. But yeah, this is pretty much the new man cave is here. We got carpet, we got the 65-inch 4K TV, the surround sound, all up and running. Got the Xbox One X right there. So 4K Blu-ray player. So this is my space. Now I just need to get a lock on the basement door so I can definitely be left alone so the kids don't bother me. But it takes time. But overall, I'm happy for what I invested in. I really like this carpet, man. I think it really looks good down here. But I want to thank you guys for watching this little vlog video. I'm gonna do some vlogs from time to time, but I'm not gonna make it my whole entire channel because I'm more of a technology guy. But from time to time, when something comes up and I need to put y'all in it on a first-hand basis, I'm gonna do that from time to time. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the man cave upgrade. Stay tuned for more. Hit that like button down below, subscribe, share this video, do all that stuff for me. Put it out there. Thank you guys once again, and I will see you in the next video.